On the sharpest curve of the New York Central's main line along the Mohawk River, the Crack Lakeshore Limited lies a heap of buckled steel wreckage. 9 cars crashed from the rails into the jagged rocks of a mountain cut. More than 200 passengers were asleep aboard the ill-fated train. The engineer died at the throttle, and 29 others lost their lives. So slow is the clean-up work that search for the dead is subordinated to caring for the injured. The Little Falls Hospital is filled to capacity with scores of victims after New York State's worst train disaster in 30 years.